Say hi.
Hi.
Say meow meow.
Meow meow.
Say go ga ga ga.
Go go go.
G'day. Welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today, Ayla and I are going to show you how to make no-bake cookie butter bars. These are delectable, very, very easy. Let's go.
Simple cooking, simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
For this, get a food processor or a Ziploc bag and put the cookies or biscuits in it and bash it with a rolling pin. You can use whatever, digestive biscuits, graham crackers, about 250 to 300 grams. I'm using these, they're called milk arrowroot. Now we just want this to be nice fine crumbs. Now that that's done, get 2 cups of powdered sugar, icing sugar, confectionery sugar. Same thing, different names. Just want to mix this together now. Now get about 1 cup of melted butter and about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup cookie butter, which is this one. I also make my own. I'll do a video of that later. So just mix that with the melted butter. Mix it together till it's combined. Now add the butter and cookie butter spread that's melted straight in. Oh, that's gonna look so good. It tastes so good. Oh yeah. So we just mix it together. And this is going to be our base. Now for this, you can just use a baking tray, something that's got a little bit of height to it, at least 1 inch. But I find it's just easier to use something like a baking tin like this with a push-up base. This one I think is about 7 or 8 inches. I should be able to, it depends on how much, I should be able to get 2 of these done. This will make a lot, this. So you just pop it in there, spread it around, then just flatten it down with whatever. I'm using the underside of a glass. I find that's the easiest way. Now get a microsave, yep. Get a microsave and then get what you actually need, and that's a microwave safe bowl. Put in anywhere from about 150 to 300 grams of milk chocolate. It really depends on how thick you want the chocolate on top. And to that add anywhere from 1 to 4 tablespoons of cookie butter spread. Now just pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds on high, take it out, give it a stir, and repeat that process until it's all melted. Now pour that over the top. Spread it all over. Now just pop this in the fridge for about an hour to set. Take it out, cut it into pieces and eat. And if you've got a giant mouth, it'll go down really fast. Well, I hope you like these. Oh, Ayla, try one. Daddy, try. Mmm.
I try.
Mmm. 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 Oh. Mmm. Is that yummy?
Mama try.
Mama, try. Later. I'll see you next time for my next meal.